So, what are the risks that law firms face if they do not modernize, evolve, and embrace the legal tech that has emerged and is, quite frankly, readily available to all lawyers and law firms?
I think the risk is pretty clear. They're going to get left behind, right? Much in the same way when you look at other technologies out there, people get left behind. I don't think you know anybody who carries a flip phone anymore unless they're trying to either cut themselves off of technology or be ironic, right? No one is carrying it because they think it's the best thing for them to use. They've moved past it. Even if they don't use all the features, they recognize that it's better to have an iPhone in your pocket than a Motorola StarTAC, right? Because they got left behind. They're out with a group of friends and they can't access Google, they can't access their email. What are they going to do? They got to move up. Law firms run the risk of doing the same thing. If they don't optimize or modernize their technology, it may not happen tomorrow. I think that's the challenging part for lawyers and law firms to understand, right? The cliff isn't tomorrow. It's not like if I don't buy Litify today, then tomorrow everything is blowing up in my face. And as human beings, we're trained to think short term. Right, but you have to look long term. It's if I don't buy new technology or modernize today, it's a process. I buy it today. Over the next couple of months, I set it up. Over the few months after that, I optimize and I get better at using it. You don't recognize or realize that while that's happening, your old technology became even more obsolete. And if you hadn't done it, you probably got left behind. There are smaller ramifications of it costing you more money and people possibly leaving the firm because they don't want to use old, outdated technology. Try hiring a new lawyer today and have them use old technology. They're going to look at you like you're crazy. What do you mean? Like, my email's on my phone. You're telling me that I have to log in through a VPN and use Outlook 2010 to check my email? Like, I don't want to work in a place that's how they think of technology. But again, the cliff isn't tomorrow. So it's important for law firms to realize that they have to modernize, because if they don't, they're going to get left behind, and they more than likely will not realize it. One day they will wake up and go, what happened? Everybody else is doing all of these wonderful things and I'm not. When did they all start doing that? Well, the answer is they started it yesterday and 6 months ago and 8 months ago, but you didn't notice it. It happened slowly over time. So you have to start that process today. That's buying technology. It's making a decision that we're going to modernize. That's starting that process towards looking at growth. And then that's going to carry you into the future. And it's going to force you to look at your entire firm and say, well, if I'm putting in a new case management system, if I'm modernizing my technology, what else has to go along with it? My computers, my people, my processes, my culture. You're going to force to bring your whole firm, possibly kicking and screaming, but you're going to be forced to pull your whole firm forward into the future.